Hello friends, welcome back to Center for Soil Engineers. In this video, I am going to show you one of the cross drainage structure called causeway. It is also called paved dip. While traveling on the roads, we must cross several natural streams like rivers, canals, and also we must cross railway lines and crossroads. The various types of cross drainage structures needed for this purpose are culverts, minor, medium size, major bridges, and also causeways, overbridges, flyovers, and underpasses. Now in this video I am going to talk about causeways. Causeways broadly two types. First one is low level causeway and high level causeway. And whatever I am going to talk now, I am going to show you in this video, that is flush causeway. It is also called non-vented road dam. Why it is called non-vented is vent nothing but generally pipes. Here no pipes are provided in this structure, that is causeway, that is non-vented road dam. The definition of non-vented road dam is a road causeway is paved dip which allows floods to pass over it. It may or may not have openings or vents for low water to flow. And coming to the applications, first application is when the heavy discharge in the stream flows only for small duration, generally not more than 72 hours. That means 3 days at a time. And coming to next application, when the natural width of the stream carries little or no water throughout the year. And third one is in hilly regions where number of small streams crosses the roads. So let's get into the video. Here you can see the cross drainage structure called causeway. This causeway, here you can see, observe up to the bitumen road. If you observe at the end of the road, there is a bitumen road started. The point between bitumen road and concrete road, the causeway starts. See, here you can see the causeway starting point, and this side you can see it is like a sack curve. We have learned curves, na? In curves we have seen sack curve and summit curve. It is like a sack curve. At the center it consists of depression, low lying area, and the other side we have approach road. There are two approach roads available. That approach roads are constructed by using bitumen roads, and between these two bitumen roads we have one concrete structure called cross drainage structure, that is causeway. Here both sides of this causeway you can observe guide posts. These are circular in cross section. These guide posts helps us to identify the extreme end of the road. Between these posts we have to travel. The vehicle should pass through between these posts. If you observe here, there are at this post you can observe some obstacle material like dead plants and other leafy things are there. This side you can observe downstream end of the stream, and here you can see the guide posts, the obstructed materials like dead plants and other debris. See, all these posts are called guide posts. Okay, with the help of these guide posts we can identify the extreme end of the road, and also it helps to prevent the falling of vehicles in upstream end or downstream end of the stream. That is, see, here you can see upstream end of the stream. See, only rare cases, for example, if you take a year, in a year sometimes two, 3 times or maximum 4 times the water flows from this end to that end. And if you observe above here, I am going to show you a check dam also. Generally check dams are constructed for storage of water for future purpose. In such cases we can use this check dam for the storage of water. It stores a small quantity of water that helps to cultivation purpose for smaller areas, and this check dam helps in recharging the groundwater table in surrounding area of this particular check dam. If you like this video, like, share your valuable comments, And for more updates, subscribe to our channel, tap our bell icon and choose all option. In description I have given the links of your favorite social media networks like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and LinkedIn. With this I have come to an end. This is Ningampalli Ramanjaneyulu signing off until we meet in next video. Thank you.